Hello all friend. Today we are introduced to our large format double HP45 printhead CAD CAM clothing drawing plotter to you. If you are looking for these CAD plotter, we will your best choice. The high printing speed with high quality make your printing business steady work. What is the main features for this plotter? Based HP45 printhead, double piece. Fast printing speed. Max printing are 1.8 meter roll-to-roll length. Suitable for all Windows XP 7, 8, 10. Compatibility for all CAD software output. Easy to install, easy to operate. The ink supplying system is an important thing. For all brand CAD plotter. Let us see the CAD plotter ink system. It has 3 different options for it. Original HP45 printhead. Large 200 ml ink HP45 printhead. Refill system HP45 printhead. For more question like printer guarantee, printer operations, printer shipments, any other questions, please contact with us.
Now, the company is expanding various kinds of products to all customers, the same as UV printers, large format printers, CNC routers, laser equipments, cold hot laminator, paper cutter, screen pad printing machine, and all type of heat press. Join us and view more at www.crossway-industry.cn.